Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today 73rd Republic Day is being celebrated with the great pomp and show in each and every part of India, especially in schools, colleges, institutes, madrasas and educational places. National anthem and patriotic songs are being sung in the beautiful tone and joyful voice. Every individual of the country are rejoicing and becoming with happiness and joy. Dear brothers, India had been free from the control of British on 15th of August 1947, but 26th of January 1950 is given much importance just because of becoming India's self-governing country and complete republican unit on this day, as well as the Constitution of India came into force in the same day. Dear Indian, India is the biggest parliamentary secular democratic country according to population. Its constitution has few special and important features. All citizens are tied and woven into garland of common democracy without any discrimination of religions and nations. It means the sense of democracy is that the people of all religions have full right to live in India and roam around freely. Also, they have right to enjoy the rights enshrined in the Constitution properly. Dear audience, each and every part of India witnessed, and unlimited pages and paper are black with the fact. The more than 60% Muslim ulamas, elders and leaders sacrificed and immolated their life along with other religious leaders in order to set India free. Then the country got free, then the country got free from the British control. Muslim and non-Muslim alliance and support and through British rule out of the country. But now it's very regrettable that communal and sectarian force strongly desire to divide the country in various parts and destroy it by leading India with poisonous policy and purpose. Disputes of Gujarat, Bhagalpur, Muzaffarnagar, Jamshedpur and so on. Murder of Muslim by mob lynching, killing them in the name of love jihad, and slaughtering the cow, arresting educated youth and students in the blame of terrorism attack, conspiracy against renowned and successful institutions are clear example of downfall and destruction of this country and democracy. Let you tell me, dear Indian, if this celebration only because of that are lots of rules and yet only adornment of papers and beauty of books in spite of strength, law system of India. If this celebration only because of that the ringleader and helper of Babri Masjid dispute and other conflict are moving across the country fearlessly as innocent while the crimeless and clean-handed people are behind the bars. Is that why this celebration? It is certainly defeat and end of democracy. Dear fellow Indian, political leader misuse the power and pass the bill with negative thought and abominable difficulties for public, especially for minorities. Many bills have been passed and laws have been made in the last few years with bad purpose, which clearly indicate that there is no room for us. But we have the great determination and strong intention for that we will never let it be so. We can't let the country be ruined and determination in the name of religions and nation. We the people of India will definitely vivify the lifeless and instant democracy. We will surely make people aware of real sense and meaning of democracy. We have protected this country before and even how we this lovely and precious country like bird of gold, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.